Hello, I am Faith. Today we are going to be making smoothie ice cream. Now you may be asking yourself, what is smoothie ice cream, Faith? I have no idea. I just came up with this idea earlier, and we're gonna see how it tastes. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out together. Here are your ingredients that you'll need. You'll need a smoothie, any kind of smoothie you want. You'll need frozen whipped cream. You need a blender. You need some salt because every recipe needs a little bit of salt. And you'll need some ice because this is ice cream. You can't make ice cream without ice. First thing we need to do is put some of the smoothie into the blender. Okay, next thing we need to do is put in some ice. I just want to put that in there. And then, next thing we need to do, look your spoon, and then put in your frozen whipped cream. Frozen whipped cream tastes really good, so if you just want to eat some of that while you're doing it, fine. Because this is your thing. Like, you're making this for you. However, if you're making this for other people, it's probably not good to lick the spoon unless you're in an intimate relationship. In that case, I'm pretty sure they don't mind. As you can see, that's what we have in there so far. What we need to do is add a little bit more ice. Just a cube or two will do. Just a cube or two will do. Put a little bit of water in here, just a little bit. Boop. Okay, that's it. Now you're gonna add a little bit of lemonade into it, just a little bit, or a lot. I mean, whatever you want to do. Now what we want to add, I know that I'm adding ingredients as we go, but that's fine because in life you need to be spontaneous. You just need to go with the flow. You just need to do stuff. So the next ingredient we have is sour cream. Faith, why are you putting sour cream in ice cream? Because this is cream. You put all creams. Put all the creams you can in your smoothie ice cream. All the creams that you have. About that much sour cream will do. Depends on you though. Again, this is all yours unless you're making this for somebody else. If you're making this for somebody else, you need to ask them, hey, how much sour cream do you want in your smoothie ice cream? The final ingredient is a pinch of salt, because you know, guys, every time you watch a cooking show, there's always that cooker. There's always that cooker who's like, just gotta add a little pinch of salt. Sprinkle that. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sing a song if you want. If you want to add a second pinch. Sprinkle, sprinkle. You can do that. Sprinkle, sprinkle. I can get freaking lid off. You want to mix it together. Look how pretty that is. It's pink. It's pink. So this is the first bite of my homemade creation of smoothie ice cream. This is actually surprisingly good. Dude, this is actually really good. I'm not even kidding. I thought this was gonna suck. I'm really proud of myself right now. I made a new, amazing tasting thing on the spot and filmed it. It's real talent right there. Thank you for watching. Farewell. This is for the thumbnail. Oh my gosh. You gotta look really surprised in thumbnails. And some people are like, oh wow, she's excited about something.